In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update content on your WordPress website. Whether you're looking to refresh a page or make changes to a blog post, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident in managing your website's content with ease. So, let's get started. First, you need to log into your WordPress account. This is your gateway to managing your site and updating its content. Use your credentials to access the dashboard, the central hub where you can control everything related to your site. Once you're logged in, you'll see a variety of options and tools available to you. Now, let's decide what you want to update. WordPress gives you the flexibility to edit different types of content, specifically pages and blog posts. If you're looking to modify the information on a specific page, navigate to the Pages section. Simply click on Pages in the menu and then All Pages to see a list of all the pages on your site. Find the page you want to edit and click on the Edit button underneath its title. This will open the page in the editor where you can make any necessary changes. You can update text, swap out images, or even alter the layout to better suit your needs. Once you're satisfied with your changes, make sure to click Save to ensure that all your hard work is preserved. Now, if your focus is on updating a blog post, the process is quite similar but with a slight tweak. You're going to go to the Posts section instead of Pages. Click on Posts, then All Posts to view all your published and draft blog entries. Find the post that needs updating, and once again, click the Edit button beneath its title. Here, you can edit the content just like you would a page. Change up the text, add new images, or tweak the formatting to enhance the post's impact. After you've made your revisions, hit Save so your updates go live. Being able to update your website's pages and posts is a fundamental skill for any WordPress user. Remember, keeping your content fresh and relevant is key to engaging your audience and improving your site's performance. Whether you're making a minor tweak or a major overhaul, WordPress makes the process straightforward and user-friendly. There you have it. You've now learned how to easily update both pages and posts on your WordPress site. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you've got any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy editing.